Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Jatem, and I just filmed my day at the beach today because my mom works at Holly Cole Hotel and they have this annual thing every year. It's this hotel picnic thing, so I was like, oh, maybe I should film it. Yeah, so I filmed it. I'm gonna show you right now. Oh, and one more thing. I am not visiting Hawaii. I actually do live here in Hawaii, so if you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm not a tourist. Okay, let's show the video. Oh, and P.S. I am so sorry if my eyes look really big in the beginning of the video. I am just so nervous because I usually do not film myself talking to a camera, so I'm kind of nervous. And if you're also wondering, I am wearing this big t-shirt is because I just got out of the shower, and yeah, that's my pajamas. Okay, PSS, make sure you watch the whole video because my sister filmed me rock climbing, and it's so funny because I got stuck because my shoe went into this rock hole thing, crap or whatever. So yeah, make sure you watch the whole video. Okay.
Prize for the girls and the grand prize for the boys.
Mom, you can.
Now, if you used to work here. If you used to work here.
No ball. What happened? Go to the left. The left. Your left foot. Your left foot. Left. Your left foot. Hold on to the rope. Any words, comments? That was scary. We are in Waikiki right now at the beach in Hawaii. No, we are not visitors. I actually do live here in Hawaii.
Give me a second. We'll do our grand prize
Mom.
trivia game. Enjoy, everybody.
But you gotta go slow.
I am. Calm down. Just go closer. People paddling.
Get her. The guys in the wheel, the big wheel, the bouncer over there, you see on the green one. Oh, look, the two birds. Nice. Did you get that in?
Mom, you're telling me to do too much. This is filming, you know. I'm not taking pictures.
I know.
There's one of the
first
hotels.
person who can bring me
And
a cell
there's
phone that is not an iPhone.
And that's what I did today. Sorry if it's kind of boring. I just figured I would put it up on YouTube just in case people are bored and they want to watch it. But thanks for watching.